We're not going to make you wait around for this. Put simply, the new iPad Pro 12.9-inch for 2021 is the best tablet money can buy. With top-end power, a fantastic display, and a whole host of new smaller upgrades, it's an all-round experience that makes it a must-have for Apple fans and those who want one of the best tablets around. If you want the very best tablet money can buy and you're desperate for a slate that can achieve almost anything you want a computer to do, this is likely your perfect purchase. The biggest caveat is that it's incredibly expensive, and it'll be an overwhelmingly large device for those who don't need a screen this big. And speaking of that screen, it's gorgeous. The new liquid Retina XDR mini LED display has top brightness levels unseen on any other tablet. This can compete with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which felt like a major upgrade for tablet screens just last year. Everything from watching movies to your standard everyday tasks is an absolute joy. Then there's the power. Much has been made of the Apple M1 chipset, and this is the first time the company has included its latest computing prowess in a portable device. But I guess the big question is, do you need it? And I guess the answer for most people will be probably not. But if you want some truly great power that blows every other tablet out of the water, this is a great choice. You likely won't notice the power difference unless you're intensively gaming, using power-hungry apps that take a lot of grunt work, or you're pushing the tablet to its absolute multitasking limits. The new iPad will load apps like YouTube and Netflix and your email faster than ever before, but that difference is negligible, and you'll notice the real differences when powering up the App Store's most intensive experiences. Other upgrades from Apple here are less important, but there are a few notable tweaks. There's a higher storage variant than ever before at 2TB, a new center stage camera feature that keeps you in frame on video calls, and Thunderbolt 4 support in the USB-C slot. Those are all great additions, but they're overshadowed by the display and chipset's game-changing upgrades. Battery life is solid, with us finding the tablet will last around 10 hours of usage from a full charge. That will fluctuate depending on what you're doing, but it's a solid battery life that you'd struggle to be disappointed by. But remember, all of this comes in at a high price, being Apple's most expensive tablet ever. It starts at $1,999, with prices increasing to $2,199 for the 2TB model, and that price will go even higher if you opt for a cellular version. In short, the iPad Pro 2021 is a phenomenal machine, and is a must-have if you're in the Apple ecosystem and money is no object. But due to its size and staggeringly high price, it won't be the right tablet for everybody. It's worth noting here at the end of the video that this review is of the 12.9-inch version of the iPad Pro. We hope to test and give a full verdict on the 11-inch model, which by the way has vastly different specs, at a later date. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on that future video.